Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to create a simple registration form using HTML input tag. The question is suppose write a simple HTML program to create a registration form with the fields enter name, email ID, mobile number and it must be filled. The first focus should be on email ID and create an image button to send the data to the server. Now let's see the output of the program. The output is given in the right hand side. Here we have a heading called registration form. Below that there are three input fields: email ID, name and mobile number. And at the bottom there is a send button to display as an image. Now let us understand the code line by line. First we will write doctype declaration. Then it tells the browser that this tells the browser that we are using HTML5. Next we open an HTML document using the HTML tag. Inside the head section, we add the title of the web page as a registration form. Then we start the body section where all visible content is displayed. We use the h2 tag to display the heading registration form. After that, we create a form using the form tag. The action attribute is set to submit.html. This means that when the form is submitted, the data will be sent to the submit.html page. The method attribute is set to post, which is commonly used to send form data securely. Now let us look at the input field. The first field is email ID. We use input type email. This allows the user to enter a valid email address. The required attribute makes the field mandatory. The autofocus attribute automatically places the cursor in this field when the page loads. Next is the name field. We use the input type text to allow the user to enter their name. Then we use the mobile number field. Again, we use the input type text and add the required attribute, so the user must enter the mobile number before submitting the form. Finally, we use input type image. Instead of a normal submit button, an image name sane.png is used as the submit button. The width and height attribute control the size of the image button. After closing the form, body and HTML tag, our registration form is complete. Then, when users fill in the details and click the send image button, the form data will be submitted. This is the example that demonstrates the use of email, text, and image input types in HTML forms. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.